Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AI News Connect, your go-to channel for the latest updates and insights into the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Harry, and today we're digging into a major story that's creating waves in both the tech and healthcare worlds. Johnson & Johnson, one of the globe's largest healthcare and medtech powerhouses, has just unveiled surprising findings about the real impact of AI across its vast enterprise. Get ready for some takeaways that could change how big companies, and maybe your own organization, approach artificial intelligence. Now, here's the headline. According to a new report, Johnson & Johnson discovered that only about 10 to 15% of its AI use cases are actually delivering a whopping 80% of the business value for the company. That's right. Out of nearly 900 AI-powered projects piloted over the past 3 years, just a fraction are responsible for almost all the real results. The story broke via the Wall Street Journal and has already ignited discussions among business leaders and technologists alike. Let's break down what Johnson & Johnson actually did. About 3 years ago, they encouraged employees across the company to experiment and innovate with AI. The idea was simple. Cast a wide net, see where the technology fits, and figure out what works and what doesn't. The result? Hundreds of creative AI pilots. But as the data rolled in, one thing became clear. Not every AI idea is a blockbuster. In fact, most are not. The company's chief information officer, Jim Swanson, explained it best. He said, "We're prioritizing, we're scaling, we're looking at the things that make the most sense." In other words, Johnson & Johnson is now zeroing in on the AI efforts that genuinely drive value while cutting or scaling back the rest. So, what kinds of AI projects made the cut? First up are generative AI co-pilots that coach Johnson & Johnson's sales representatives on the best strategies to engage with healthcare professionals. Imagine an AI assistant that not only provides data, but gives real-time coaching to reps out in the field. Another high-impact example is an internal chatbot that helps employees quickly find answers to questions about company policies and benefits. That might sound simple, but in giant organizations, shaving off even minutes per inquiry adds up to huge productivity gains. But it doesn't stop there. Johnson & Johnson is diving deeper, developing an AI tool aimed at accelerating drug discovery. This has enormous implications for patient care and the speed at which new treatments come to market. There's also a project using AI to spot and address supply chain risks before they become major problems, critical for keeping essential medicines and devices moving worldwide. What does all this mean for the future of AI in business? Johnson & Johnson's approach highlights a crucial lesson. When it comes to AI, broader experimentation is key in the early stages. But eventually, focusing on what actually works and brings value is essential for scaling impact. The era of shiny AI proofs of concept is winding down, and companies are looking for real, repeatable results. If you're wondering why this matters, think about it. Johnson & Johnson's findings are likely to echo across industries. If only a small percentage of AI projects deliver most of the value, organizations must learn to differentiate between potential and payoff. The practical takeaway? Encourage exploration, yes, but build strong feedback loops to measure and prioritize projects that truly move the needle. Let's zoom out to the bigger picture. This strategic shift isn't just about business efficiency. It's about evolving a company's AI culture. In the early days, it made sense to encourage everybody to try everything. But now, with hands-on experience and hard data, there's a push for selectivity, scalability, and adoption at every level of the organization. Companies everywhere should be paying attention. The goal isn't just to have more AI, but to have better, more effective AI. So, what's next for Johnson & Johnson? According to company leaders, the focus will stay on these high-value AI projects. Look for more investment in generative and predictive AI tools, especially those linked tightly to the core mission, like improving patient outcomes, efficiency, and resilience in healthcare operations. And you can expect a ripple effect as other large enterprises benchmark their own AI journeys against these results. Before we wrap up, here's one more perspective. Johnson & Johnson's revelation is also a call to action for AI developers, solution providers, and researchers. Now, more than ever, there's a premium on building solutions that move from the experimental stage into high-impact, real-world use. As AI continues to evolve, we'll see more stories of businesses adapting, refining, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this transformative technology. That wraps up today's AI News Connect report. If you found this video insightful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your colleagues and friends, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. We'd love hearing your thoughts. Drop a comment below about how your own workplace is using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.